low. The men hunted in the forest for food. The women and girls worked in the field and harvested the crops. The boys picked fruits from the trees. Jana was too little to help, but Jana wanted to help too. So Jana made a wish. I wish I could help get food. Oh! I appeared to grant her wish. Jana was happy I appeared. Let's go fishing to catch fish for the village. Off we went. After a period of time, Jana caught a fish, but it was too little. It was too little to even feed Jana. Oh! The fish surprised us and spoke. It was a magic fish. If you want to hear what the magic fish said, press